Open Door has had on our life. What is the impact that Open Door has had on your life? We are just sharing. So go ahead. What have you learned? What have you gained?
Sir, I can't talk today. Somebody else can share today.
Okay, but okay, fine. Chalo, Sanjay is on the road. Maybe Purushottam ji or Pratibha Ben, you want to start? You are on mute.
No, I want to hear somebody to get some knowledge. How to speak and what to speak.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll start.
Okay, chalo.
So Jennifer ji or Purushottam ji is better for starter.
I'll start. Okay. So for me, in this whole journey of 1 year, it's not like I consciously do this, but it has come out very naturally for me now. That if there is a disagreement, or if somebody is blaming me, and I've stopped feeling bad, and I immediately say sorry, and I try and see how hurt that other person is, and try to comfort that person as much as I can in that area, instead of trying to prove how right I am, and how wrong that other person is. Even if I feel I'm right, I still do not defend myself at all. I naturally just try and understand what the opposite person is in pain, or and that is what is the change which has come to me. And this is not a struggle. I don't have to think. It is just flowing in automatically with the Open Door and all these things that we are doing. So thank you so much, Sanjeev ji.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Great. So, the interesting part is we don't actually do any sort of training in communications. We don't do training in interpersonal relationships. We don't actually consciously do any of that, right? And yet your interpersonal relationships and communications improve. So what do you think is behind it? I mean, how does this understanding of oneness, of non-duality, what is the connection between that understanding and this change in your experience with others, in especially situations of conflict?
Yeah, because that one sentence hangs on into me is that if everything is that, then who is that you cannot love? Something like that you always say.
Yeah.
Everything is that. So, and I always choose love over everything. I choose love. And everything is that. So you always say everything is that. So then what is there not to love if everything is that? So
If everything is that, what is there not to love?
not to love, yeah. That is really sort of
Right. And I think out of that understanding, what, like you rightly said, what flows automatically and naturally is much more valuable and lasting and really a becoming, rather than a learning or a habit or a training or something like that.
True.
Because no matter how hard you train and how much you learn, unless you become something, there is always a difference in the quality of that experience. So when you are that's when things really move. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Okay, great. Okay, Purushottam ji.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yeah, so others can go on mute. Maybe I should also go on mute. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, being with Open Door is a really a wonderful journey for me. It is the best, I can say, one of the best program I am attending. Because on this Open Door, everything is going on spontaneously. Nothing is decided, and not a very big things are spoken about. But everything we get and we can understand it's very easily, and everything is at experiential level. There are no modules and there are no things to do or anything. Just to understand and be with that, one with that. The understanding of oneness is the ultimate. I have been practicing SSY since long time, but I could understand better SSY principles here, and I got deep insights, and that too easily. As far as meditation is concerned, I'm able to go in meditation very quickly and so fast. Before it used to take some time me to settle down. But now this instant meditation and that bringing that into this is just a miracle. And because of that, how many times I am doing meditation, I don't know. Anytime I remember that, and I am getting the glimpse of it, and again I am continuing my whatever I am doing. But that is one of the wonderful thing, and all the time whatever you talk is that has cleared so much of cobweb in my mind, that spiritual cobweb. That's it should be like this and that should be like that. If you do like this and you behave like that, then and then you are good, or then and then you can get. And what you said so many times, that not that you are not doing anything or you are not practicing anything, that doesn't mean that you are not divine. Even though you don't do anything, whatever you are doing, then also you are divine. And that understanding has given me so much relief, I will say. That because every time I was practicing something that was for getting something, and it was that I am lagging something, and that's why I want to bring it up in my nature or in my being or in my life. And that's why I am doing this. But whatever you said is, whatever I am doing is, I am doing out of fullness. That is a wonderful thing, because not that I am incomplete, and because of that incompleteness to become full, I am doing something. Out of fullness, I am doing something. It is a wonderful understanding. And what Guruji has said, that everything is okay and you should start life from okayness. So I was knowing that sentence, I repeated that sentence so many times. But how to start with okayness, this has taught me that everything is divine and nothing is good or bad. So everything is good and everything is divine. Then there are so many complexes are gone with this understanding. I don't judge people, because I was knowing that judging people is not good. The comparison is not good. But being in oneness, it has gone without doing anything. Just when I think is comparison, and where is the need of judgment? Everything is one and one, everything is same and everything is divine. So no one is better or lesser. And I am also that. That has dissolved my ego also. Because when everyone is divine, what is different, what is special in me? I am not I am not different from anybody else, or nobody is less than me. So that has dissolved ego without doing so many things, without doing much. Just this understanding has given, and once you have taken a class on being a listener, to start means that may be third, fourth, or fifth session, but being a listener, that session has given me how to listen and how to be a listener. And being a listener, how can I go in meditation? And that was also a wonderful session. So many sessions, every session is unique, I would say. And मुझे जैसे जैसे याद आते आएगा ऐसे ऐसे लगे कि मुझे मतलब हर सेशन के बारे में कुछ तो यूनिकनेस है. and going to spirituality through physics.
So physics.
This is wonderful. This is
Yeah.
very wonderful thing because through numbers and through physics and through physics going to metaphysics, that is the wonderful journey at this open
Wow.
door. So many things are there.
Great,
Thank
great,
you, thank you.
wonderful.
And one thing is that when I hear your voice, I just listening to your voice, I go in meditation. That is the most beautiful gift.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Wow.
Yeah.
Great, great, awesome, awesome. So as you're a practicing pediatrician, of course. So in that field, in your work, how does this made any difference, if at all?
Yeah. It has affected, means it has very good impact. My body language, my being with my patients, and seeing God in others. So my patients are actually gods.
Yeah.
They are Bal Krishnas. So
Right.
I
Right.
am playing with my patients and just enjoying my practice. I am not doing a job anymore. I am
Wow.
just playing all the day.
Superb.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Awesome. Great. Awesome. So wonderful. And Jennifer ji, you are a healer, you are a soul communication expert, and in all of that. So in that, how does this knowledge or this understanding or this practice or this association, how is that relevant?
It is very relevant, is it not? To only be that all the time is so beautiful. So, in fact, just saying I bring that to this, and that
Yeah.
not doing anything about it or not finding a solution itself is a quality of surrender, is it not?
And so
And
what?
and so when that surrenderness is coming, when we are into a space of nothingness, there's so much openness and there's so much of spaces opening and so many possibilities are opening for you. So things just work out by themselves without any struggle. So
Right.
that is very beautiful. It is like
Wonderful.
meditating every moment, right, of your life. It being in oneness every moment. What more can
Right.
you want? Yeah.
Very cool.
Sanjeev, I would like to add one
Yeah,
thing.
sure. Go ahead. We can't see you, and it's on mute. I think you're on mute, Purushottam.
I think he's got stuck.
He's got okay connection issue. Okay.
Pratibha ji ke bolo ne?
Chalo Pratibha Ben. हाँ.
Okay. Sanjeev, I don't know what I want to say. My feeling, that is your relevant to your question or no, but just I am explaining. Through the open door, I get everything is divine power, myself and all around me, living and non-living things. So when previously I was get irritated and everything, nowadays I feel everywhere lovable. If the plants are, I am watching the plant, I feel that I love that plant and love that plant also loves me. And my every moment is enjoyable by giving and receiving the love from the every and each part of the world.
Beautiful. Very nice.
Feeling and every moment I enjoy in doing the talking with the person, roaming in the world on the road. walking road, I am enjoying myself. So
Wow.
that is I am feeling more happy life in each and every moment and each and every activity.
Wow.
Even doing exercise also I like it and I love it. I love person and every atmosphere, every moment, every time. I avoid irritation, accept and adjust everything nowadays. That is
Wow.
the open of my heart through this journey with you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Wow, wow, wow. Wonderful. Very, very heartfelt, very true.
No,
And
I don't know what that is your connect to your question or just I have expressed my love feeling.
right, no, it is very much connected to my question. That is exactly what I wanted to know and hear. That
Thank
you know
you,
what
thank you, thank you.
is exactly in line with that. So yeah, we are all
It's never
sharing.
too late.
Yeah, we are. Yeah, it's always a good time to get into that.
Yeah, always
So-
good time to start.
So, okay, great. Who else wants to share? Very nice. Thank you, Pratibha Ben. Very wonderful. You are on
This
mute
group
again.
also, we are not meet each other, then also feel the we are one family.
Right,
God.
right. Yes.
It's
And indeed
it's
we
never-
are. Indeed.
Yeah, means if anybody is not looking,
Yeah, Sandhya Ben, she got
seeing,
it.
we feel.
yeah.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Pratibha
Acha,
Ben,
Sanjay ji. No, she
we
got
are
it.
all
She got it. Okay, let's go.
okay.
Yeah. We are all what?
I said we were all there for everybody. All
Right,
of us.
right. All of us are there for everyone. Yeah. Even though we don't meet physically because of the situation and the
Yeah,
distance
because of the distance, yeah.
and the
But we are
situation.
always there.
Wonderful. Sanjay, would you like to share? हाँ
यस सर
हाँ बोलो.
मैं भक्ति मार्ग पे पहले से ही था फ्रॉम लास्ट
हम्म.
15-20 years बट व्हेनेवर आई
Right.
गेट चांस मैं अलग अलग सत्संग में जाता था आता था लास्ट लॉकडाउन में इन 2020 मैंने टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग प्री टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग भी एसएसवाई का किया था करीबन
Right.
कंप्लीट अगस्त तक किया था बट अगस्त के बाद कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आए लीगल इसलिए फिर मुझे छोड़ना पड़ा बट देन अगेन इन दिस लॉकडाउन मैंने टीएससी किया और टीएससी में शुरू में तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था बट बाद में क्या हुआ पता नहीं मैं वो डूइंग में या कुछ पाने के ये चाहिए वो चाहिए उसमें कॉट अप बहुत डेंजरसली मैं डिस्टर्ब हो गया
Okay.
मतलब पहले जो करता था वो साधना भी बंद हो गई और टीएससी भी ठीक से नहीं कर पाया मैं रेगुलर सवेरे रनिंग को जाता था रोज सवेरे 1 घंटा हमारे गुरुजी का लेक्चर सुनता था वो सारा बंद हो गया और उसी दरमियान आपका वो DIY सीरीज में आपका शेयरिंग था वो मैंने सुना उसके बाद में मैं ओपन डोर ज्वाइन कर लिया और धीरे धीरे वो डूइंग और वो जिसमें मैं अटक गया था या जिसमें फंस गया था सारे इसमें उसमें से धीरे धीरे बाहर आया और पिछले 5-7 दिन से अभी फिर से सवेरे 4-5 बजे उठ के मॉर्निंग वॉक रनिंग सुनना ये सारा शुरू हो गया क्योंकि ये चाहिए वो चाहिए विजन और इसमें कहाँ मेरी गलती हो गई थी मालूम नहीं बट ट्रिमेंडस डिस्टर्ब हो गया था मैं बट ओपन डोर्स की वजह से रियली आई हैव कम आउट ऑफ इट और अभी बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है और मेरा साधना भी जो है हम जैसे हर समय हरि गुरु को साथ मानते हैं जैसे मैं ऑफिस में बैठा हूं तो ठाकुर जी को एक चेयर पे बिठाता हूं आगे वो सब भूल गया था ठाकुर जी देखते हैं मैं कुछ गलत सोचा तो ठाकुर जी राधे राधे बोलते हैं या फिर कभी फटका भी मारते हैं ऐसे जो भी एक साधना का पार्ट था वो सब निकल चुका था सब बंद हो गया था अब ये वो जब ये बहुत डीप थिंकिंग प्रोसेस इसमें हुई, तो फिर मैं वो पाथ पे अभी आ गया, एंड आई एम एंजॉयिंग इट, बोथ थिंग, वो भी और ये भी, बिकॉज ब्रिंगिंग दैट टू दिस,
Yes.
ये जो है, ये मुझे फिर से मैं उस लाइन पे चला गया कि ठाकुर जी को या राधा रानी को मैं दिन भर ब्रिंगिंग दिस दैट टू दिस में मैं उनको साथ में ला सक रहा हूँ,
शामिल कर रहे हो उनको,
शामिल कर रहा हूँ।
हर पल में शामिल करना।
हाँ
Right,
जी, हाँ जी।
right.
So I'm very
Beautiful.
grateful to you and
You're
grateful
most
to this
welcome.
satsang.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Welcome,
and
sir.
it's all a matter of कि जो भी हो रहा है अपने आप हो रहा है, हम खुद बन रहे हैं, तभी जाके उसमें आनंद है, तभी जाके उसमें एक खुलापन है, एक एक फ्रीडम का सेंस है। जब हम सोचते हैं कि मुझे ये पाने के लिए ये करना पड़ेगा, वो पाने के लिए ये करना पड़ेगा, तो फिर बहुत फंस जाते हैं उसी में। और क्योंकि आखिर में हमें कुछ पाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है,
जरूरत ही नहीं है।
जरूरत ही नहीं है। हम सब कुछ मैं ही हूँ, सब कुछ आप ही है, तो क्या पाना, क्या देना, क्या लेना? इट इज ऑल देयर। इट इज ओनली celebration is all that remains. We only celebrate.
हाँ
Beautiful.
सर,
Thank you, thank
हाँ,
you, thank you. Great, great. Anyone else? Let's see, who else is there today? Sonal said she wants to share next time. Pallavi has just joined, but I think yeah, so let me share what it has brought for me also, because uh, for me there has always been a question कि how to जो समझ है, जो भी ज्ञान है, जो हम जानते हैं, उसको वो क्यों, कैसे हम छोटी छोटी बातों में कैसे हम भूल जाते हैं उसको, और उसको ला नहीं पाते जो हम एक्चुअल में है। तो मेरे लिए दिस हैज बीन अ डिस्कवरी आल्सो। इट्स अ डिस्कवरी एंड अ जर्नी इनटू गोइंग डीपर एंड डीपर एंड डीपर। और जो इट्स लाइक अ टू वे स्ट्रीट, क्योंकि जितना जितना क्लैरिटी और जो भी सोच इस फोरम में मुझे मिलती है, प्रेरणा मिलती है, with the presence of all of you, the inspiration I get, because I'm so committed to bring clarity for you, I have become more and more clear myself within, and my own sometimes confusion or whatever has also become more and more clear, because the only way to uh, they say now the best way to learn is to teach, because you can when you are learning as a student sitting on one side, you can always uh, hide here and there behind some thought or some excuse. But if you are the one who is saying it, then you have nowhere to hide. There's nowhere to hide. You better be meaning what you say and then practice what you mean. So from that point of view, and also मैंने सोचा कि ये हम पहले हर रोज करते थे, सातों दिन. For a few months we had this satsang every single day, and मुझे लगा कि okay, maybe I have 10-15 things I can share. 10-15 stretch करके कि there may be 10 different topics I can speak on and share and bring something new. But literally what I've discovered is, by just getting myself out of the way, getting my impressions, my egos, my opinions out of the way, literally not dozens, but literally hundreds of topics have just come. I mean, if we count it, maybe close to 200 sessions we have had, and it's incredible. I mean, even if today, if I sit down and think, can I, is there that much sharing that we can do? And I don't know, but just being with everyone, being in this space, it's like आप कूद पड़ो पानी में कूद पड़ो तैरना आ जाएगा वैसी. That's the kind of experience it is. Because we can always think and theorize, but unless you actually do it, it 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 doesn't mean anything. So that just jumping in, not knowing, it has been an adventure for me. It has been a very exciting adventure. Often, let's say open door starts at 8. Till 7:55, I have no clue what I'm going to say or do or what we are going to do. Forget about 7:55. Sometimes till 8:10, I don't know. Even after I've started. So it's a very experience in just being spontaneous, and so I want to thank all of you for being the kind of people who resonate with this questioning of life, with this questioning of understanding, questioning of truth. How can I be a better person? How can we make this world a better place to live in? How can my life be more and more worth of the time and energy and effort that this universe has put into and invested in me? How can this investment in me, in my life, be the most beneficial to myself and to everyone around me? So responding to that question has been just a wonderful adventure, and it is your openness to truth, your openness to discovering, your openness to know more, to learn more, to experience more, is what keeps on drawing more and more out of that universal truth flowing through all of us. So
So besides
thank
one
you.
more thing I want to add.
Yeah,
Besides
sure.
your Insta meditation, the last time we had met, we had spoken about if whatever comes your way, whatever is thrown at you, and if you can really dance in that face of that, and,
Right.
and really dance and say, I'll still celebrate life, I'll still enjoy life. Everything
Right.
can go around. That was a brilliant master stroke, I tell you, to
Wow.
dance in the face of whatever comes
Yeah.
your way.
Yeah.
And that's what Navratri is about. And that
Exactly.
is what we should not just stick to the 9 days of our lives, but forever,
Every
dance in
all
the
the
face
days.
of life. Yeah. So
Dance in the face of.
that was such a brilliant master stroke, I must say that.
સંજય
That
હું
was a
તો
brilliant
દાંડિયા લઈને
master stroke.
બેઠી છું આજે.
Yeah, આજે દાંડિયા લઈને બેઠા છો.
આપણે વાત થઈ હતી કે સેટરડે આપણે બધા દાંડિયા રમશું.
આહા,
I
ચાલો.
know. I
ધાય
know we
ધાય ધમ
talked
ધમ
about
ઢોલ.
that, but
એટલે હું આજે લઈને
yeah,
બેઠી મેં કહ્યું દાંડિયા રમશું આજે.
I know. Good. No, yeah, you're right, Pratibha Ben. But it slipped my mind, so I didn't plan for that. But
Okay,
Tuesday, still
now
Navratri is there.
as for the
Tuesday
it is confirmed.
confirmed, Dandiya Ras.
So,
Sure.
yeah, we'll join Open Door and Twin Heart together and do something
Yeah, we'll do something like that. We'll join
together.
and we'll all bring Dandiya.
At least
Aise
in
kariye.
Navratri we will about the Garba.
Yes.
At least 10 minutes.
Great. Sure. So
Okay.
going back to what you were saying, there's somebody who said, if life throws lemons at you, make lemonade. So, but how do you get to that point is where the challenge is. How do you? So what we went through last time, yeah. If you were not present at that particular session, please go back to that session. You can hear the recording. We really, don't know the nature of things. We don't know our own nature. We don't know the truth. We don't know. This whole life is a big mystery. But in the face of that, can you just, when you dance, when you sing, when you just celebrate, no matter what, it is a response which is beyond answers. It is a response which is beyond knowing what is the right answer. You're simply in that space of surrender, which is the bhakti marg, which is what Sanjay ji is talking about. So great. And open door is open door. It's all paths are welcome. we are not saying this one is good, this one, all paths, like there is a saying, like all roads lead to Rome. So in Open Door also, all roads, all paths lead to the divine understanding. And whether we go through bhajans and we go through dance or music or understanding or knowledge or introspection, meditation, contemplation, seva, whatever, everything is possible, everything is available. Sandhya, when you want to share something about impact of Open Door in your life, unmute first. Yeah.
It's just brought to the fore what was already inside and I was experiencing while I was very, very busy with my career and, running around and everything. But now it has brought me to a place where I have reached in a very, very pleasant state of mind. Feel very happy, very glad for all that I am, all that I have, and all that I. So only when you
Wonderful.
open your mind, does the door open for you.
Right. Wonderful. Great. Okay,
Through
great.
Open Door,
Yeah.
through Open Door, we know the blessings of the God as so many blessings are with us. And we must be grateful for all the luxuries God has given us.
Right. And not that we must be grateful, but
We are.
gratitude. We are grateful and
Gratitude
gratitude
is,
comes
yes.
naturally.
Course.
No, means
It
always
comes
a feeling of thank you.
gratitude. Yeah. Feeling of thank you coming on its own. Yeah. Not as a practice, not as a
So
should.
more than we deserve.
More than we deserve, we have. Yes, in fact.
Gratitude
Wonderful.
and love has to flow.
Yeah. Not has to flow, but it does flow.
Means
It does
કઈ બી
flow.
હોય તો આપણને એમ થઈ જાય thank you એમ good
Right.
good thank you.
Right. Wonderful. Okay, great.
And
so on that note,
one more thank you for your session.
Thank you. You're most
So
welcome.
we get the knowledge of world and religious divine power.
Great. Thank you all.
Thank you all.
Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you. So we can.
Thank you. Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Good night,
Thank you.
everyone.
Good night. Thank you, everyone. Love you.
Love
Thank you.